Welcome to the introductory video lesson on a smart, easy, and fast application for furniture manufacturers. This video lesson shall show you how fast and easy it is to use SmartWOP. Let us make a cabinet. First of all, drag the basic volume to the work area and name it Cabinet. Set width at 1000 millimeters, height at 60 millimeters, depth at 450 millimeters. Drag a horizontal board to make the top. Left and right vertical boards define the side boards. Add another horizontal board to make the bottom, 60 millimeters above the ground. Add a frontal board to the bottom with a setback of 5 millimeters. Add another one in the back. Drag the back plate and divide the volume in 2 equal parts with a vertical board. Insert a free board in each of the halves and add internal doors. Now we need to interconnect all cabinet parts. Go to Machining's tab. Shelves require whole series. Drag the respective machining to each shelf. Use connectors to interconnect all other parts. Click an element and select All Edges from the drop-down menu to highlight all applicable junctions. Then click the drill icon. Further, we need hinges to have the doors opening. Go to Fittings tab. Choose an appropriate hinge and drag it to the door. Fix door handles likewise. Now choose Cabinet Materials. Go to Materials tab and hide the doors. Use Frame tool to highlight all structural parts. Then choose the material, example, sand. In the selection window, mark edges and surfaces to be lined with the selected options. Then click on the tick mark to apply the material to the selected options. Let us have the front plinth lined with rosewood. Set 90-degree texture angle in the Properties window and turn the texture direction. Click Show All to show the doors again. Control and click the doors to highlight both. Fix required edges and surfaces and apply rosewood. Use Frame tool or press Ctrl+A to highlight the whole structure. Clicking a material to be changed in the selection window leaves selected only respective surfaces and edges. Now it's easy to exchange the material with any other. Select olive instead of sand. Change rosewood for deep red likewise. Done! And you can work with SmartWOP likewise easily and promptly. Do not forget to save the project in a common way. File, Save As. Enter file name and select Destination folder. Now you can export the material list and specifications. Go to File, Export, Material List, and choose Material List for the current project. The exported specification shall be immediately opened by Excel if available. Then the cabinet is available for CNC machining, provided that woodwop files for all parts are generated. File, Export, Machine, All to Machine. All exported CNC programs for the project shall be available in a dedicated gallery folder. Now all you need is to execute the exported CNC programs. That is all, just 5 minutes to get a complete CNC program out of nothing. That is why we at TBEC CNC Technic are sure that SmartWOP can bring much benefit and advantage over competitors. Just try it yourself. SmartWOP. Smart, easy, fast.